Hello, everyone. Today we will examine the contributions and career of M. David Merrill, a trailblazer in the field of education and instructional design. I personally chose Merrill because I used his principles when I was a teacher and am currently using his principles as an instructional designer. Let's get started. Merrill's educational journey began with a bachelor's degree in psychology from Brigham Young University in 1961. He later pursued both a master's degree in psychology and a PhD in educational psychology from the University of Illinois in 1964, solidifying the foundation for his future contributions to the field. M. David Merrill has been a professor at Utah State University since 1987. Currently at the age of 86, he continues to teach, hold workshops and lectures, and consults on how to provide effective instruction. He even has talks, recorded presentations, and workshops you can find on YouTube. Merrill's impact on education began with his seminal contribution of the development of the component display theory, or CDT, which first appeared in Instructional Design Theories and Models, published in 1983, edited by Charles M. Reigeluth. Gagne's conditions of learning that focused on different types of learning outcomes served as a springboard for Merrill's component display theory. The component display theory promoted different strategies or prescriptions for different learning outcomes, which is tailored to individual student needs. Merrill suggested that the component display theory was an attempt to identify the components from which instructional strategies could be constructed. This table shows the two categories of components Merrill suggested. The vertical axis represents the level of performance, including remember instance, remember generality, now combined as remember, use, and find. The horizontal axis represents the types of content, including fact, concept, procedure, and principle. This table is used to identify instructional objectives. Merrill's most renowned work is The First Principles of Instruction, published in 2002. These principles provide a comprehensive framework for designing effective, efficient, and engaging learning experiences. Merrill's principles have become a cornerstone for instructional designers and educators globally. The 5 principles that Merrill identified as being most important to effective instruction are problem-centered design that provides real-world examples that learners can relate to, activation of prior knowledge that gives students a foundation to build on, demonstrating to students how to perform a task rather than just telling them, application of what was just learned or demonstrated, and integration where the transfer of knowledge happens outside the classroom. Other works by Merrill include the development of the instructional transaction theory, or ITT. ITT used the component display theory as a foundation for the components, and it delves into the dynamic interaction between the learner and instructional content, offering valuable insights into the learning process. Merrill explains that ITT emphasizes the integration of these components into instructional transactions. An instructional transaction is all of the interactions necessary for a student to acquire a particular kind of knowledge or skill. This theory has played a pivotal role in refining instructional strategies laid out with the component display theory, making learning more engaging and effective. Merrill was also a pioneer in creating strategies for computer-based learning. I hope you all enjoyed learning a little bit more about M. David Merrill. Thank you for watching this presentation.